Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss some PYQ of Common PG Entrance Test 2022. Okay, first question is the maximum number of members in a private company is limited to option A 200, option B 100, option C 50, option D 250. Answer is option A 200. आम जानते अकॉर्डिंग टू कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 ए प्राइवेट कंपनी रे मिनिमम मेंबर टू मैक्सिमम 200. ओके नेक्स्ट द कंपनीज नेशनैलिटी इज डिसाइडेड बाय इट्स ऑप्शन ए शेयर होल्डर्स, ऑप्शन बी प्लेस वेयर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स आर केप्ट, ऑप्शन सी its registered office, option D none of the above. The company's nationality is decided by option C its registered office. Okay, next, a company formed by a special act passed either by the central or state legislature is called option A chartered company, option B government company, option C statutory company, option D private company. Company formed by special act is called option C, that is statutory company. Okay, next, which new type of company or companies was or were introduced in the Companies Act 2013? Option A 1% company, option B associate company, option C small company, option D all of the above. a question answer तो मैंने comment section में लिखिए. Okay, next, in the Indian Contract Act 1872 the term quid pro quo is applied in relation to option A legality of object, option B capacity of parties, option C consideration, option D free consent. Quid pro quo remaining कौन है? Now option C, that is consideration. Okay, it means something in return. Okay, next, according to Sales of Goods Act 1930 which two of the following are defined as goods? इठी दे देछि सब ऑप्शन रे भी देछि क्या भीतर देखिबो कोटा गुड्स मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, एक्शनेबल क्लेम्स, बुक डेप्ट. तो एक्शनेबल क्लेम बुक डेप्ट गुड्स नुहे तो गुड्स कोटा ना मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी, ग्रोइंग क्रॉप से कहिछि कोन को दीटा गुड्स. ओके तो टी आई टू आई तो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट, a finder of goods is under an obligation to restore the goods to the real owner if traceable and he must take reasonable care of the goods. This relates to option A contract of indemnity, option B contingent contract, option C contract of bailment, option D quasi contract. The answer is option D quasi contract. Okay, next, the object of financial management is option A management of liquidity, option B maximization of profit, option C maximization of shareholders wealth, option D management of fixed assets. TG अछि, the answer is option C maximization of shareholders wealth. Okay, next, which of the following is not a function of the financial manager? Option A, procurement of fund. Option B, allocation of fund. Option C, maintaining balance between risk and return. Option D, maneuvering the share price. Not function. The procurement of fund is the right answer. Allocation of fund also the right answer. Maintaining balance between risk and return also correct. So these are the functions of financial manager. Okay, the option D is not the function of financial manager. Next, the present value of a rupee receivable after 1 year each. Option A, more than 1 rupee. Option B, less than 1 rupee. Option C, equal to 1 rupee. Option D, equal to future value. Se kon kochi na present value of a rupee receivable after 1 year is. Answer is less than 1 rupee. Okay. Next, the minimum amount called on the application for the issue of share is dash of the face value. Option A 1%, option B 5%, option C 15%, option D 25%. Your answer is option B 5%. Okay. Next, which of the following the term insider trading is related to? Option A brokerage, option B public, option C share market, option D tax. Here answer is option C share market. Okay. Next, which method of valuation of shares is based on the questions? Uh, what an equity shareholder will receive if the company goes into liquidation? Option A fair value method, option B intrinsic value method, option C dividend yield method, option D PE ratio method. Your answer is option B intrinsic value method. Okay. Next, the future value of 1 rupee invested today is option A more than 1 rupee, option B equal to 1 rupee, option C equal to present value, option D less than 1 rupee. से कौची यदि हमें आज 1 टंका इनभेस्ट करवा तर फ्यूचर रे भैल्यूटा कौन हम निहाती भाव में कौन हम 1 रुपी रु अधिक हम कहीं इंटरेस्ट आड हम हाँ कि नहीं. The answer is more than 1 rupee. Next, which is the most expensive source of fund? Option A new equity shares, option B new preference shares, option C new debts, option D retained earnings. Most expensive source of fund, option A new equity shares. Okay. Next, the Reserve Bank of India started functioning as the central bank of the country since option A 1st April 1934, option B 1st January 1949, option C 1st March 1935, option D 1st April 1935. Reserve Bank of India started functioning as a central bank. Your answer is option D 1st April 1935. Okay. Next, which of the following is not a qualitative technique of credit control of RBI? Option A moral suasion, option B open market operation, option C priority sector lending, option D rationing of credit. क्रेडिट कंट्रोल ऑफ आरबीआई रो टेक्निक्स अच्छी एमती क्वालिटेटिव टेक्निक्स अच्छी क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक अच्छी तो मैंने देखिए कि क्वालिटेटिव रे कौन कौन जाऊँगी क्वांटिटेटिव रे कौन कौन जाऊँगी ये क्वेश्चन रे कहिछि व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग नॉट ए क्वालिटेटिव टेक्निक ऑफ क्रेडिट कंट्रोल. Okay, your answer is option B open market operations. Next, which of the following stock exchange has its index name Sensex? ऑप्शन ए ICEX, ऑप्शन बी BAC, ऑप्शन सी CAC, ऑप्शन डी NAC. Here answer is BAC, that is Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay. Now the go, which of the following stock exchange has its index name Nifty? Okay. Next, ଏଠି ଦେଇଛି list 1 list 2 ଦେଇଛି ଏଠି ତୁମକୁ ଦେଖିବାର ଅଛି କିଏ କାହା ସହିତ ରିଲେଟ୍ କରୁଛି. ଓକେ. Standard costing, management by exception, ratio ତ ହେଇଯିବ financial analysis, ଯେ it is just in time ଏଟା ତ ହେଇଯିବ inventory control. ତ ଏଇ ଦିଟାରୁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରିବା ଯଦି 3 ହେଉଛି I 3I ଏଠୁ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଯାଉଛି କି your answer is option A. Okay. Next, identify the ideal liquidity or acid test ratio among the following. ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି acid test ratio ର rule of thumb ହେଉଛି 1:1. Okay. ତ current ratio ର rule of thumb ମତେ କହିବ.